Hi there, DK here, and today I'd like to present to you the Evolution E1300TRP steel tripod. A fantastic accessory to support your cordless fan or LED work light anywhere on the job site. It can support a payload of up to 3.3 kilograms, and it's formed from steel pipe to ensure it's both robust and stable. It comes with an M6 thread connector, so your light or fan can simply be screwed onto the tripod. At the lowest setting, the tripod can be set to 800mm and can be raised and locked in place at any desired height up to 1300mm. There we have it, the Evolution E1300TRP, a steel tripod which is an essential accessory to have in the van or workshop, ready to pull out as a support for your fan on a hot day or to secure your LED work light to illuminate your workspace.